Excuse the voice. We're a little squeaky. Okay. So how's everybody doing today? How's all my cousins? Good. Because your girl is back with the continuum of her chillings. Now, you guys, you know I had already cleaned them. And I put them in a freezer bag. Right? So I wanted to save them till I got ready to cook them because I really wasn't in the mood. So your girl is finna get ready to cook them now. Okay? So the first step is I'm gonna rinse these chillings off real good. Again, if this your first time viewing my channel, please feel free, come join the fam. And yeah, share this video with any and everyone, let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. So our first step, can you guys see? Okay, our first step is we're gonna rinse them again to make sure that they are clean. So yeah. How's everybody doing? Y'all, I done call hold to a cold. And I don't know. This ain't what your girl signed up for. So we're gonna put them over here in this strainer. Because I'm gonna give another wash on them. So yeah, we will be using the strainer for a minute. After I pre-boil them, I have to strain it. Now once I start to boil on them, you guys, I will not be putting any seasoning on them at all. Because that's like washing your seasonings down the drain. Okay? But I want to get that scent down. So I'm going to definitely put a pre-boil on them. And then another rinse. Because you don't want all that fatness, that juice that it gives off. I don't know. I don't know about anyone else and how they cook their chitlins. I just know how I enjoy mine. And my dad, he enjoys them as well. So this is the size pot I have. And I'm going to put these over in here. And I'm going to add some water. And we filled it up just enough to cover. Okay, just enough to cover. Because the pot is going to get smaller than this, you guys. So hold on. So as you guys see, I put the chillings on. So yeah, we're going to go on and let them do their thing for the first boil. And then we'll be back. Okay guys, so we got the first boil on. And as you see, they shriveled up. So we're going to take this pot off the stove. And we're going to drain this juice, as you see. And start all over again with our seasonings. Okay, so we're going to rinse these chitlins off with hot water. Yes, they are hot. And that will reduce the smell in your house. Okay? So now we switching pots. Because we only have approximately maybe 2 pounds at most. We're going to start this process of cooking these chilies. We add just enough water. You guys, see you over at the stove. Okay guys, we're back. So as you see, we starting the chillings over again, however way one wants to say it. And we're going to start off with a little Larry seasoning salt. A little meat tenderizer. Yes, you're going to put meat tenderizer in it. Black pepper. Crushed peppers. That's optional. I love crushed peppers. About to pour them all in there. What am I thinking? We're going to shake, shake, shake. Okay, I think that's enough for me. And we got some bell peppers and onions. Yes, we got the bell pepper and onions going in. Why? Because I like bell peppers and onions. We're going to stir that season right on up in there, you guys. And we got some garlic. So your girl got some mint garlic, and she's going to put that in there as well. Because I don't have a potato. And I think that should be enough. Yeah. So we're going to stir that on in there. And we're going to let these chillings do their thing for approximately 2 hours. And we'll be back. So you guys, we're back. As you see, the juices has returned. So yeah, it reduces the scent in your house. And I wish I had a potato to put in it, but I don't. And I assumed that I did. So my goal was to bring this video today. And yeah, your girl did not realize she didn't have a potato. And thanks to my subscriber who suggested to put the potato on top of the lid. Because I had great intentions on doing that, I'm sorry. But anywho, you guys, this is my take on chillings. Nice clean chillings, you guys. And I'm going to let this finish simmering on low until they reach the peak where I like them very tender. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for sharing, viewing this video. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, don't forget, come join the fam. You will love me, and I'll definitely love you. Hey, what else is you doing? So, sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.